You know, I think this conversation has probably gone somewhere where it's not that violates
It's not supposed to go.
Violated YouTube
Okay.
policies, I
well,
believe.
I'll tell you, I'm going to change it right now.
Which side do you shift on?
Good morning. It's about 6:45 here in California in February, and it's 57 degrees, so I think today is going to be a beautiful day for a ride. This morning, I'm meeting up with the NorCal BMW Club here. Pretty big, sizable club here in Northern California, great bunch of guys. We're going to meet a couple of them that are driving up from the South Bay here at Starbucks just off the freeway. And then we're going to head out to Napa, wine country, to meet the rest of the guys there for breakfast. After breakfast, we're going to leave there and head out towards a place called Clear Lake, which is one of the premier. If you're into bass fishing, it's like the place to go for competition bass fishing up in this area. So anyway, hopefully the guys will show up here pretty soon, and we'll get on the road.
You know, I was really disappointed about not going to that Oktoberfest one.
Dude, don't fucking give me that. We had.
I was looking forward to that so much.
Totally, dude. Dude, I looked all over to find an alternative place.
I just wanted to try that beer.
I know.
He made beer for the Oktoberfest.
I'm gonna do it again, but now I have more time, so I can make a true Oktoberfest.
Okay.
Brew it in March.
Well, let me know if I can help cook schnitzels. I'm good at making schnitzels and spatula.
Might probably have to pull that backpack.
Yeah, you got enough strap on there.
Whoa, whoa, Nick, calm yourself.
Hey, you missed it. I was dancing all the way across the street to the Harley music.
Pretty sure I didn't miss it.
Important thing was the beer made it here safe.
So these are the minutes from our September campout, which was at Hogglesworth Campground. For that. So we had 19 members there, including and plus the board, who would like to step up to full membership. Is free to apply for full membership at any time. So there's no reason for rally members.
So the BMW guys had their club meeting. It was pretty short, and one of the things I like best about it is they talk about the history. They always talk about, give a little story about the history of where they're going or where they're camping at or why they're there, and that's always been pretty fascinating. Probably the best part of the club meeting I like is definitely the history part of it. But anyway, you can see the guys are here. They're got their tent set up, and they're going to finish up a little bit, and we're going to start making dinner. So it was an absolutely gorgeous ride today. At one point, I had to actually put like a 20-pound bag of ice on the back of the bike to get it in here, but that was kind of fun. Anyway, it was. I couldn't have asked for a better day and a better ride, a better bunch of guys, and I'll see you at dinner. You got to do something with this cucumber, Jerry. Ask that guy. He probably wants a cucumber.
What? Me? Nah, I'm good. Appreciate it. Had enough today.
No cucumbers?
Yeah, I will call Ben Monday morning.
Yeah, he needs a good swift
I'll
kick in the
get him
pants.
hey, listen, Bubba, I love you and all, but this fucking EMT thing, most can do that. That's the wrong thing to say.
I have to edit that out now, Jerry. You can't say that.
What
You cannot- exactly. I have to edit that out now. Check. Can you tell what I have in this jar?
Most can do that, okay? Can
Oh
you
my
say that?
God, no,
I
Jerry, you can't say that either.
Gee,
What
how
is
about
what?
I can't say that either.
Seriously, Jerry, you can't say any of those things.
Are you guys recording this?
No,
Oh, Dave records
I'm
everything.
not recording anything.
Bullshit. He told me I couldn't cuss, I couldn't swear.
I have to bleep now like 20 minutes of this video because of you.
No.
Jesus. What are you making tonight?
I'm not making anything. I was on the fence about sticking around, so.
You just have one more beer and then you're staying.
Well, I'm already staying.
Okay, good.
I already pitched my stuff, but I didn't bring anything for
Oh,
dinner.
we have plenty of food.
I'll take you up on that.
We have literally have plenty of food.
I just want to
Check
make
it out.
sure that you guys are actually cutting up the cucumber.
We are not using that cucumber.
Dave was all embarrassed about
I do
the
not
cucumber.
know why
Dave
Jerry
told
brought
me,
a
Get
cucumber.
a cucumber. I said, God,
I did
don't
not
know
say
why,
get a
Dave.
cucumber. I didn't say get
Trixie
anything.
isn't here tonight, you know?
Oh my good Lord. So what we're having is we got potatoes, mushrooms, bacon, onions, and white wine.
Nice.
You handle that?
Yeah.
All
Hell
right.
yeah. That's all in my diet.
Is it? That's
Yeah.
good. What kind of wine you got here? Malbec? You made steelhead. So tell me, how did you make that? Oh, and you made French bread too?
No, somebody else brought that. No, we made potatoes and onions.
On the grill here. Now, did you carry this with you? Wow, that doesn't really look like something you take on a motorcycle. So you got a cast iron skillet. I have a skillet that weighs 7 ounces. It's made of unobtainium.
Yeah. We'll give you some ham as
And you're doing wings and tortillas. Now these were frozen, right? And they didn't stick to the...
It stuck a little bit. You want some of the stuff that was stuck? It's pretty good.
I'm sure... No, I'm good, but I'll take your word for it. Oh my goodness, you guys look like you're staying out of trouble over here.
Yes, we are. My doctor's a very young, hot woman. God damn. It's a blessing. What more can you say?
See, now, I haven't had that. What I've been getting is these little packets. You got to poop sticks. You got to poop on these things. I've not had the young lady checker. I haven't.
horrible.
I know.
Oh, you need to go up to Grass Valley and see my doctor.
So I had a friend. He's a proctologist. He was this close to being a gynecologist. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's great. Carry on with the proctologist. It sounds like somebody who grows vegetables out your anus.
Like broccoli.
Exactly.
Those aren't anal warts. Those are just budding broccoli.
It's just broccoli. Exactly.
I use this 100% of the time. It's all I bring. Really? Yeah. I used to have a jet boil I bring around, but now this is the way to go.
Because it folds up flat, right?
Yeah. In fact, we had 2 of them going and made steak and potatoes on that night. That was good.
The steak right on that thing.
Yeah, it worked great.
Just like you.
It was about a $40 piece of meat too. And that's funny about it.
Over there was meat.
This angle.
Dude, should you do that in your tent? That's a tent activity right there. Wait, is he carrying that coffee pot on the motorcycle?
I'm more impressed with the stove.
Well, he makes his wife carry that. I found that out last night. I think Jerry was not feeling too good last night. I'm gonna go kick his tent. Hey, buddy, you okay? Because it looks like you just had a frat party here last night. Jesus, there's beer cans all over the place. Your chair's tipped over. What the hell? Is that you playing music?
Yeah. I like music.
Well, that's a wrap for this camp out with the BMW NorCal Club. Amazing group of people. My buddy Jerry came with me. Jerry, what'd you think? Pretty cool?
You know, a super neat group of guys. I kind of wasn't expecting it to be this. It's like Boy Scout camp. Everybody gets together.
They share stuff?
And let's see, you've been together all your lives. It was really fun.
And you knew some of the people here too, right?
Well, yeah, a lot of dirt bike guys. They used to ride dirt bikes, and now they're playing on this. So yeah, I'll be back.
So these guys are amazing, and I'm looking forward to doing, I think, the Death Valley race. I think I'm gonna go out for Death Valley. You wanna go with me to Death Valley?
Oh, let's see. Yeah.
Let's do Death Valley. So the reason I'm shooting it from here is because all my other cameras ran out of either card space or batteries. So you get a dash cam video this time. So see you again soon.